Thanks for tuning into our YouTube channel again. Today is going to be a good video. We're going to be talking about Invisalign versus the DIY at-home aligners that have been very popular lately.
So, you've seen the commercials on TV, do it yourself at home.
Facebook, the ads, Instagram, all your favorite influencers, celebrity endorsements.
And there's even some like hair salons. I believe they've opened up a little kiosk in the mall as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
They're available everywhere now.
Not to name any names, but we've seen them. You've seen them. With that being said, let's try to go over why someone might want to pick, the DIY way instead of seeing your orthodontist for Invisalign.
Paying less.
Not having to go to an office.
Mm-hmm. Want to have them delivered to you. You don't want to leave your house. This is, 2019. You want it quick. You want it at home. It's like Amazon online shopping.
Fast.
You don't want to leave the house. People might worry about, like you said, how much Invisalign costs or if insurance even covers it.
Overall, we've heard not so great news regarding patients that have used these home aligners because they'll end up coming to us to see us, a specialized orthodontic, to move their teeth after using these aligners because they didn't work out.
They do claim to be like minimal amount of money, but I don't believe they actually back their work.
And you'll end up spending more money anyway than you thought.
Absolutely.
If you think it's cheaper,
yeah,
you get what you pay for.
Right. So what happens when they have emergencies? They don't see anyone that's licensed or...
Exactly. You're missing that orthodontist aspect. And I know some companies, they'll say, oh, we have the orthodontist, but you never actually go see them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they don't know what your gums, your teeth, your oral hygiene.
They don't take x-rays either. Is that correct? So you're not even sure if you're correcting a tooth that has a cavity in it or something, and then you wind up having more trouble than it's worth.
Right. And, you deal with things, if you're trying to move teeth so fast, some of them claim 6 months, your teeth will be straight,
Right.
You got to worry about root resorption, which can cause tooth loss, loosening of your teeth. Who's monitoring that? Or even your bite.
Right.
There's no monitoring.
Right.
They don't tell you that they can't correct your bite,
Yeah.
but we'll tell you that they can't correct your
But
bite.
in orthodontist, we get into more depth of it. We're able to instruct a patient how to wear rubber bands, whereas the do-it-yourself companies don't offer that.
They won't.
Correct.
And, in an orthodontist office, they'll, do a scan. They'll have what you call a clin check where the doctor will evaluate your teeth. They work closely with the Invisalign lab to, get the perfect fit and the perfect, treatment pretty much for your teeth.
Right. It's more specialized to your needs and what, your mouth entails.
I mean, Invisalign has the latest material and
Yes.
technology. I don't know if you've ever seen what those at-home aligners look like, but I've done some research myself, and I see reviews. They're cutting my tongue, they're cutting my gums. Invisalign aligners are precision cut just to fit you exactly how you need them.
Right. And there's no one there to help you with an emergency situation.
Nope.
Right.
What if
You're just learning to deal with the discomfort when it's unnecessary.
exactly?
Right. Absolutely.
And then what if you have a tooth that's really difficult to move or come down? At-home aligners, they can't fix that. Invisalign has attachments.
Yep.
To move those stuff, to move teeth.
Yeah, they also offer, interproximal reduction, which helps guide the teeth move along.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And like Karen mentioned before, the rubber bands to correct a bite. You can't get that with the at-home
No.
aligners.
No. And who's to say if you misplace an aligner, lose it, break it? I know that Invisalign has a guarantee that they will replace at a minimal charge any aligners that are necessary.
Yes.
So you have a company backing you up.
Exactly. And not bad customer service. So to conclude today's discussion, with Invisalign, like we said, you're getting the latest technology. The reason why you're seeing all these DIY companies popping up now is because actually the original patent for clear aligners has expired in 2017. It was a 20-year patent, which pretty much means they hopped up on that patent that expired, and now they can use it. It's free use. So they're really using 20-year-old technology.
Yeah.
And you want the latest phone, don't you? So wouldn't you want the latest in technology to correct your perfectly beautiful smile when we're done?
Exactly. Couldn't have said any better.
Yeah, definitely.
So thanks for watching again. We hope we were able to inform you so that you can make the right decision for your best smile.
Absolutely.